What's up, guys? Tired of dragging around a heavy chainsaw just to cut a few branches? Welcome back to Tech Kingo. If you have been searching for the best mini cordless chainsaw that is compact but still seriously powerful, you are going to like this one. It is small in size, but it packs the kind of strength you would expect from a much bigger tool. Let's get started. Up next is the Neotech Mini Cordless Chainsaw. Neotech designed this tool to give you strong cutting power in a lightweight and easy-to-handle body. At the heart of it, you get a 1,000-watt brushless motor. That is a big deal because brushless motors are more efficient, produce less heat, and last longer than traditional motors. You get better performance and better durability at the same time. This motor delivers a maximum chain speed of 15 meters per second and a no-load speed of 26,000 revolutions per minute. In simple terms, that means fast and smooth cutting. The Neotech Mini Cordless Chainsaw can slice through a 6-inch branch in about 4 to 7 seconds. So whether you are trimming trees, cutting firewood, or working on small woodworking projects, you can finish the job quickly without struggling. One of the most convenient features is its compatibility with DeWalt 20-volt max batteries, including models DCB200 through DCBP520. If you already own these batteries, you can just plug them in and start working. No need to buy a separate battery system. This saves money and makes setup much easier. Plus, since it is cordless, you get full freedom of movement. No cables holding you back while you move around your yard or campsite. Maintenance is also simple. The Neotech Mini Cordless Chainsaw comes with an automatic oiling system. This system keeps the chain properly lubricated while you work. Proper lubrication reduces friction, helps the chain run smoothly, and extends its life. You do not have to constantly stop and manually oil the chain, which makes your work faster and easier. Adjusting the chain is just as simple thanks to the tool-free chain tensioner. You can quickly tighten or adjust the chain without needing extra tools. This keeps the saw running at its best and reduces downtime. Another great feature is the dual guide bar setup. You get both a 6-inch and an 8-inch guide bar. The 6-inch bar is perfect for detailed pruning and cutting smaller branches. When you need to handle thicker limbs or small logs, you can switch to the 8-inch bar. Changing between them is quick and straightforward, so the Neotech Mini Cordless Chainsaw easily adapts to different tasks. Safety and comfort are clearly part of the design. It includes a dual safety lock to prevent accidental starts. That gives you extra peace of mind, especially during quick jobs. The ergonomic anti-slip grip makes it comfortable to hold, even with one hand. It feels stable and balanced, which reduces strain and fatigue during longer sessions. Overall, Neotech has created a compact chainsaw that combines power, flexibility, and smart safety features in one handy tool. Ready to upgrade your yardwork game? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more powerful tools and tech updates. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.